Hi everyone, today I will explain to you how you can use Seller app. I will go to Seller app. I will show like that when I make installation first time. Here, right here, first one and this green line, it's meaning register, okay? And second one here, if I have username and password, I can using directly username and password here, okay? But actually I don't have. So what I will do, I will go to register, this one, then I will write my name, full name, Gamal Muhammad, my email, then I will write here my password, M capital 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then I will write here repeat confirm for my password again, M 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Second one, I choose my here I choose my country. I'm from UAE. Where my country? Here. Yeah, United Arab Emirates. I selected. Last field, he asked me about my number. I will write my number here 058 919 4746. Then I will click this button, this orange one. I will click. He asked me about you want OTP. I have two options here, none or yes. I will go to this one, yes. Then he told me, okay, I will send you OTP now. Then I will write my profile. He asked me about just fill all field in profile. Don't keep it empty. Don't keep it blank actually. Then I will put it my photo or photo for store actually. Logo, if you have logo, if you have anything, you should put it. Then he asked me about name of my shop. First field. I will make it dizit. Second one, he asked me about which category you are. You are restaurant or laundry shop or grocery. So I will make restaurant. Third one, he told me here, yes, this is my email, my number. Then what's the time? What is in after that? Here he asked me what's the time you open. I will write open here. I open 8 sharp. Okay. Done. What's the time you close your restaurant or shop? I close 22. It's meaning 10 p.m. sharp. Okay. Then he asked me here deliver. What's the time you're available to deliver it? For preparing your food or something, if you available, like if I preparing food, I will take 20 minutes to preparing some dish to receive to send it to customer directly. Then second one here, he asked me about delivery fee. So no delivery fee, I will write 0. He asked me minimum order, third one here, minimum order. So minimum order, I can write 30 dirham or anything I want. Okay, so I will keep it also this offline because he asked me, is this ordering, you want to make it another time? No. This unvegetarian or vegetarian, if my restaurant just provide for vegetarian, I will make it this on. If I have chicken and beef and everything, I will make it off. Keep it off, keep it everything like that. Then I will select it my location. Now he's searching for my location. Once he found me, okay. If he didn't found me like that, I will make just select it again, cancel, can open again. See, he found me. Okay, I will go to saving here, this button. Okay, then he asked me about details for my restaurant, how many restaurant I have, what if I have any offer I can put it, anything. So I will write to branches, to branches. Okay, then after that nothing. Now I filled everything completed. Now I should make it everything completed because I want to change to English to understanding. So I will go to end of this page. I will found here or this line for orange. I will just make it click on this orange. He already opened for me my account. Okay, I found here ordering, second one item, third one account. I will go for my account. I will go 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1. I will go to this language. Okay, it changed my language. Then click this orange button to confirm. Now my language it's English. I can using anyone, I can using anything, I can change anything I want. If I want to change time, change delivery fee, change minimum order, delivery time, this per order facility, I make it off. Now I saw here on, okay, I will make it off. My location, everything I have, and make it update info. That's it. And if I want to make ordering from make items, sorry, I can put it items, I can put it anything I want, details, no issue for that. And also we will helping you to make it that. This is for seller. Thank you, thanks very much.